Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled daikon. Start by sterilizing jars and preparing crisp daikon radish. Slice daikon into rounds or sticks to your liking and measure vinegar, water, sugar, and salt precisely. Warm the brine gently until sugar dissolves, then cool slightly. Pack daikon and spices into jars, pour brine over to cover, seal jars, and refrigerate for quick pickles or process for shelf stability. Make a reliable brine with equal parts vinegar and water, then add sugar and salt to balance acidity and sweetness. Heat gently until the sugar and salt dissolve, then allow the brine to cool slightly so it won't wilt the daikon. Layer spices in the jar to distribute aromatics, and pour brine over vegetables so every piece is submerged. Seal jars tightly and let flavors meld before tasting. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep feet comfy while you roll and slice daikon in the kitchen. I find them funny company during long prep sessions, and they last through every spill and scrub. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Pack the sliced daikon snugly into jars to reduce trapped air and ensure they stay immersed in brine for even pickling. For quick refrigerator pickles, chill jars and allow flavors to develop for at least 24 hours, though a few days yields better depth. If you prefer shelf stability, process jars in a water bath or pressure canner following safe guidelines. Label jars with contents and date for easy storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.